Hello and welcome back to our news update from Nagaland State BJP unit. Today's news coverage is focused on the activities initiated by the Health and Family Welfare Minister Shri Pangyu Phom. I am Sapralinyakha and here are the news in detail. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Minister Shri Pangyu Phom is monitoring the preparedness and reviewing the situation by coordinating with every district frontline workers. Under his constant monitoring, the Department of Health and Family Welfare is working round the clock on war footing and taking all precautionary measures to prevent the outbreak of the pandemic in the state of Nagaland. On 23rd March 2020, Minister Pangyu visited the isolation ward at DHD Railway Station Dimapur and held a meeting with medical team and volunteers. On the 24th March, he inspected Ranga Pahar, Dimapur Airport and Referral Hospital Dimapur. Minister Pangyu, along with the Chief Minister of Nagaland, Sri Pangyu, visited the newly quarantine center at Urban Housing Marima. On the 31st of March 2020, Minister Pangyu visited the State COVID-19 Control Room at Directorate of Health and Family Welfare. He also inspected the Naga Hospital Authority Kohima and Integrated Ayush Hospital at Raza Chedema, which was converted as COVID-19 hospital under Kohima district. On the 16th of April 2020, Minister Pangyu Phom, along with Honorable Advisor Mr. Toshiwanthang, visited COVID-19 hospital and the proposed laboratory on the arrival of PSL3 at Naga Hospital Authority Kohima and held an interactive session with the medical scientists and lab technicians. Also, on 23rd April, the minister visited the newly quarantine center at Kebaze Resoma village to oversee the preparatory work which was underway. On the 30th of April 2020, Minister Pangyu visited his hometown, Longland, and held a meeting with the district administration, CMO Longland, district task force, and NGOs. He handed over one ambulance, fogging machine, and other medical equipment to district task force at DC office. He also handed a sum of Rs 1,50,000 to the district task force for emergency purpose. On 1st May 2020, Minister Pangyu visited the COVID-19 hospital at Mokokchung and held a consultative meeting with the district task force and NGOs. He also inaugurated TrueNet COVID-19 screening laboratory. He also donated Rs 1 lakh to DDF Mokokchung and handed over one ambulance to render service to the citizens in times of emergencies. The medical minister also visited COVID-19 hospital at Woka along with other ministers and advisors and donated Rs 1 lakh and handed over one ambulance to the district task force. Minister Pangyu on May 9, 2020 visited Referral Hospital Dimapur to oversee the preparedness and installation process of PSL2 biosafety lab. He also visited various hospitals in all the districts of Nagaland to oversee the preparations which are underway to be converted to COVID hospitals and quarantine centers. In addition to all this, he also donated essential commodities, food package, and all other necessary medical equipment and monetary relief to Longland as well as other districts in the state of Nagaland. Speaking at the inauguration and installation program for state's first biosafety lab on the 21st of May 2020, Minister of Health and Family Welfare Pangyu Phom informed that 4 dedicated research scientists had volunteered to join the fight against the pandemic and so were hired by the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Nagaland. The minister also stated that since the virus is highly contagious in nature, it is important that Nagaland has a highly specialized facility for detection which require a special laboratory for testing samples as there is no vaccine against the virus at present. He thanked the Biotechnology Department under Union Ministry of Science and Technology for providing the space to house the state referral BSL3 lab. Minister Pangyu also expressed his heartfelt gratitude to Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi and the Chief Minister of Nagaland Sri Pangyu for giving all logistical support to the medical department. That is all we have for you today. We shall be back with more news update tomorrow. Till then, take care. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you and Jai Hind.